I and Janardhan Reddy used to fight. Mono metro. I remember Rashekar Reddy Saab, he stood up and he said, Akbar will do one thing, we'll go to Delhi, we'll see the metro. You are saying the metro is very good? Yes, we'll do it. Satyam tha saab, Satyam ko diya gaya tha Mitas, ulta Satyam ka Mitas. फिर वो सत्यम डूब गया, माइटास से चला गया. Rashekar Reddy Saab, we with the delegation went to Delhi, sir. We saw the metro, और उसके बाद में मेट्रो हैदराबाद को आया. मेट्रो को जो लाया, उसके एरिया में छुक नहीं है, मेट्रो नहीं है, पूरे शहर में फिर रही है. इससे बड़ी नाइंसाफी और क्या होना है सर? ठीक है, हमको नहीं दिए ना, हम पैदल चलते थे, पैदल चलने में ही खुश है. हम साइकिल पे थे, साइकिल में ही खुश है. हम रक्शे में थे, हम रक्शे में ही खुश है. मगर पुराने शहर के लोग मुंतजिर हैं, समझ रहे हैं कि आप लाएंगे मेट्रो. प्लीज मेट्रो को लाइए सर. सर, रीजनल रिंग रोड सर has a component of 158.6 kilometer northern road and 189 southern kilometer road, which makes almost 350 kilometers ring road sir. Sir, ये ring road के बारे में भी पूरा northern part will cost 13,522 crores and southern part will cost 12,980 crores, and the total outlay of works is 26,002 sir. Sir, about this going further ahead sir, मैं हैदराबाद के ताल्लुक से ये भी बोलूंगा सर कि हैदराबाद में CPP, sir, when Mr. Suresh Reddy was the speaker sir, I still remember, I said, Suresh Reddy Saab, I was in my 20s. Then I said, I am in my almost in my 40s. इतने साल से बोल रहा हूं सर, चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन का प्रोजेक्ट, चारमीनार. तो ही सेड, अकबर साहब खुशखबरी है, अब चारमीनार बदलेगा, पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन प्रोजेक्ट होगा. 10 साल हथेली में जन्नत दिखाते रहे BRS, आ जाएगा. चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन प्रोजेक्ट नहीं हुआ सर. उस वक्त राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब, किरण कुमार रेड्डी साहब, रोशैया साहब, सब साहब बोले सर, नो अकबर, young man, I remember Roshaya Saab telling me, young man, don't worry, young man, don't worry. Charminar pedestrianization will be completed. I am assuring you, young man. I said, sir, I respect you, sir. Sir, तो अभी भी सर बजट में चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन के बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा गया. मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन को कंप्लीट करिए. सर, इट इज सच अ ब्यूटिफुल आर्किटेक्चरल designs are there, sir. Sir, I have visited various cities in the world, sir. Various cities, sir. Sir, I have been to Milan, sir. The fashion street of Milan resembles the same architecture of Pathargatti, sir. Why can't we restore our heritage and protect the heritage, sir? What is wrong in that, sir? Sir, I had proposed a tramp also, sir. I spoken to a France company. They came, they met Mr. KTR Saab also when he was a Minister for Municipal Administration, to run a tram from Naya Pul to Charminar in the median which is there in Charminar. People think we do not want the whole city to have development. No, we want the whole city to develop, sir. But it is so unfortunate that let be any government, they do not want to improve the living standards of the people of old city. They do not want to improve, but at the same time, they call us, हमको चोर बोलते हैं. लाइट की चोरी हो रही है, अदानी को देंगे. अरे हम चोर नहीं हैं, ना चोरी होती है पुराने शहर में, हम नहीं करते. सिर्फ इल्जाम लगाया जाता है. चोरी कहां नहीं है सर, चोरी कहां नहीं है. लीकेजेस है, पिल्फरेजेस है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से लेके एक कंज्यूमर को आए जब तक कई जगह पे. सर, आई हैव ऑल द डिटेल्स. I have all the details, sir. I'll have a debate in the demand on power, sir. But saying that कि नहीं, एक पायलट बेसिस पे दिया जाएगा सिर्फ ओल्ड सिटी को. क्यों ओल्ड सिटी को, क्यों कोडंगल को नहीं दिया जाएगा? क्यों उत्तम कुमार रेड्डी साहब के एरिया को नहीं दिया जाएगा? क्यों श्रीधर बाबी के एरिया को पायलट प्रोग्राम की तरह नहीं दिया जाएगा? क्यों नहीं? ओल्ड सिटी नहीं. इनको छुपाते रहना नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होगा. अरे आप तरक्की लाइए, खुशहाली लाइए, चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन लाइए. आप लाल बाजार का फसाड का डेवलपमेंट का जो काम है वो लाइए, चार मीनार के दवाखाने को जो डिलैपिलेटेड कंडीशन में वो लेकर आइए, मक्का मस्जिद और बागयाम की मस्जिद के इमामों को उनकी नौकरियों को रेगुलराइज कराइए, वो लाइए। अरे आप ये काम करिए, रोड वाइडनिंग करिए। सर, देयर आर मेनी इश्यूज सर, देयर आर मेनी इंपॉर्टेंट इश्यू व्हेन आई एम स्पीकिंग अबाउट जीएचएमसी सर। The major problem the residents of Hyderabad are facing as of now is a traffic jam, sir. What is the speed, sir? What is the speed a vehicle is moving, sir? What are the kilometers that we are covering in an hour, sir? Alternate roads. Sir, these people, they developed only Gachibowli and that area. They never developed whole city, sir. पूरा हजारों रुपया वहीं डाले सर, एसएनडीपी, एसआरडीपी। सर, इसमें भी नाला डेवलपमेंट आया था, हमने फ्लाईओवर्स का दिया। मेरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में हाफिज बाबा नगर में, बल्लागुड़े में फ्लाईओवर जब दियो बोलते केटीआर साहब बोलते थे, अकबर भाई दे देंगे आपको, दे दिए, जियो हो गया भाई काम, बोले नेक्स्ट उसमें ले लेंगे। होते होते साहब अब मैं बूढ़ा होने आ गया, सब व्हाइट बाल हो रहे हैं सर। अब सर एटलीस्ट सर I expect that Revant Reddy Saab, who's a very good friend of mine. Yes, I want to come on record. Yes, I want to come on record. Yes, he's a very good friend of mine. Not now, not now. It goes back to some 35, 40 years back. We are very good friends. Yes, we are very good friends. And my friendship will be there with him, personal level. But at the same time, as the leader of MIM and he being the leader of the house, I am going to do my responsibility, and I am sure he will also do his responsibilities. By hearing to me, by listening to me, by accepting the criticism and trying to do the work which has not been done from so many long years. Yes, sir. I hope that, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, about Dalit Bandhu के checks दिए, sir. मैं हुकूमत से request करूंगा Dalit Bandhu का दीजिए, sir. Sir, tribal welfare. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, I want to bring to the kind notice of Honorable Chief Minister Saab a very important thing. My learned friend, Mr. Uttam Kumar Reddy Saab, is also there. Sir, I'll just read out one thing and then I'll say that, sir. Sir, the Dalit Bandhu scheme was virtually put on hold after Congress government came to power, sir. Lakhs of applications were there. It was stopped. In 23-24 financial year, BRS government has allotted 17,700 crores for Dalit Bandhu as against the previous year expenditure of rupees 2,000 crores. However, not a single rupee was given for this, sir. Sir, ये इसके बारे में हो गया, sir. Tribal welfare, SC, ST, SDF, sir. So the state budget 24-25, Bhatti Saab has allocated 33,124 crores for SC, SDF and 17,056 crores for ST, SDF, totaling rupees 50,180 crores, which is really a massive amount. Yes, sir. Sir, we hope and trust the government will sincerely and effectively spend all the allocated funds under SC, ST, SDF, since there was huge shortfall in the expenditure on both SDF in 23-24 financial year. The SC, SDF allocation was 36,750 crores, but the actual expenditure was only rupees 14,649 crores, 23-24. The ST, SDF allocation was rupees 50,233 crores, and the actual expenditure was only 10,399 crores, and 23-24, sir. The total allocation under SC, ST, SDF for the year 23-24 was 51,983 crores, but the expenditure was only 25,048 crores, sir. So this is the real allocation. I don't know whether the government is aware. Sir, with your kind permission, sir, I may be given a permission just to show this one thing, sir. Sir, here, national channels from last 2 days, they are running a scroll and having a debate saying that SC, ST's allocations have been reduced and minorities have been given 3,000. They were carrying the figures which were given by INPR from your department, sir. Isme, they gave wrong figures. From your department, they gave wrong figures. And not one challenge, sir. Even Doordarshan carried this, stating that कि SC, STs के पैसों को कम करके मुसलमानों को दे दिया गया. And no clarification was issued from the government side. So you see, sir, what is written here? Meme, Bheem, empty slogan. Minorities first, not SC, STs. 33 crore allocation for Ramzan celebration. You see, sir, we have to have a department which would immediately give a clarification to these newspapers and say that no, the actual allocation is this. We haven't reduced the allocation for SC, STs. In fact, we have increased the allocation. It's wrong what they are saying. But it wasn't said, sir. आप देखिए sir, ये कितनी खराब बात है. Not one channel, sir, 7-8 channels, debate, सब हो रहे हैं. Doordarshan also said. So INPR department, this is why I say, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, this is why I say there should be a check on the bureaucrats and the concerned department. They should be held responsible for the figures which they are giving to the minister and which minister is spelling out in this house and which is getting printed. कैसा बताइए आप? कोई नहीं है उसके बारे में बोलने वाला. I hope that this has been taken a note, a serious issue, and INPR department issues a clarification in this and corrects this and says that this government treats SC, ST, BCs, Muslims, Christians, Sikh, Isai, Parsi, everyone treats equally. This government is not partial towards one or impartial towards another. We have to give a statement. So this needs to be clarified, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir. Sir, about the BC welfare, sir. Sir, I'm sorry, I want to come on record and say that, sir, BCs are always being neglected. Why, sir? BRS government, sir. Sir, they neglected. My learned friend was there with me in Public Accounts Committee, sir. Sridhar Babu Sahab. Sir, I was really surprised to see the figures when I see, sir, BC के साथ नाइंसाफी की BRS ने, इसलिए BCओं ने इनका साथ छोड़ा और आपका साथ दिया. Kindly do justice to BC, sir. There are many BCs के संगम है, sir. उनको 10 साल में 0,000 अमाउंट दिया इन्होंने. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप देंगे. Sir, in Andhra Pradesh Assembly, sir, when I used to be there, we had one BC leader, sir. I'm just forgetting his name. Yes, Krishna Sahab. Sir, the way he used to fight for BC, sir, he used to inspire me to fight in the same way for minorities, sir. But I feel like, you know, from last 10 years, this house has many BCs, but we do not have the real BC leader who would fight for the BCs. But I assure to my BC friends that they might not have a friend, but they have a friend in Akbar Owaisi and MIM who will fight for the BCs and who will fight and get the required funds for the BCs. It is high time that the BCs, SC, STs and minorities should come together and teach a lesson to all those who do injustice to the BCs, who do injustice to the SCs and STs and minorities, sir. Sir, BCs का हम देखते हैं, sir. Sir, BCs including among the minorities constitute almost 50% of the state population. The budgetary allocation for these sections is only 9,200 crores, sir. 50% BCs है, 50% उनकी आबादी है और बजट एलोकेशन सिर्फ 9,200. जागो BCs, उठो BCs, आओ तुम और हम मिलकर लड़ेंगे और हक को हासिल करेंगे. As promised in the manifesto of the Congress, has established new cooperative society cooperation for Mudiraj, Yadava, Kurma, Munuru Kapu, Padmashali, Parika, Lingayad, Meera and Gangaputra caste in addition to the 12 existing cooperative societies, Federation for various BC caste and BC Cooperative Finance Corporation, MBC Development Corporation, sir. So however, in the last financial year, sir, 23-24, not a single rupee was disbursed by the Vadera, Balija, Valmiki, Boya, Bhattaraja, Medera, Vishwa Brahmin, Kumari, Toddy Tapas Cooperative Society and Federation, sir. एक पैसा नहीं दिए, इसलिए यहां आ गए. आप कम से कम उनका ख्याल करिए. Only the Nai Brahmins, Weavers and Fishermen Federation disbursed rupees 358 crores to the beneficiaries. Sir, उसमें भी कई घपले मछली के नाम पे मछली कोई और खा गया, तालाब में नहीं गया। बकरे के नाम पे कोई और चढ़ गया, बकरा कहां गया नहीं मालूम। उसकी भी इंक्वायरी करना चाहिए साहब। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि छोड़ेंगे नहीं आप लोगों को, जो मछलियां खा गए, बकरे खा गए, चर लिए, जरा कार्रवाई करिए साहब उनको भी। So thousands of other beneficiaries from these communities who were sanctioned ₹1 lakh each were disappointed when the disbursement was stopped midway in view of assembly election manifesto, sir. So after the assembly election, the new government has virtually cancelled the sanction applications for BC beneficiaries, also for the minority beneficiaries. मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से अपील करूंगा, दरखास्त करूंगा, जो चेका बन गए थे, जो नाम अप्रूव हो गए थे, चाहे वो 2 बेडरूम के होने दो, बीसी के होने दो, माइनॉरिटी के होने दो, दे दीजिए साहब, दुआ मिलेगी। लिस्ट में नाम आया था। परेशान है हमारा बीसी भाई, परेशान है हमारा मुसलमान भाई। चेक आ गया, लिस्ट आ गई, नाम आ गया, लेकिन चेक नहीं मिला। चेक बन के पड़े हैं सर, बीसी कॉर्पोरेशन में भी है, माइनॉरिटी कॉर्पोरेशन में भी है। चेक्स दे दीजिए सर, मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से मुतालबा करूंगा, दे दीजिए। नया स्कीम जो भी आ रहा, जब आएगा, बढ़ाना है बढ़ाइए, पुराने चेक दे दीजिए बस। ज्यादा नहीं आएगा बोझ आपको, ज्यादा नहीं आएगा। हम हैं आपके साथ, हम हैं आपके साथ, आपका ताउन करेंगे, आपकी मदद करेंगे, और आपको हम भी और भी रास्ते बताएंगे जिसके जरिए हम रेवेन्यूज को बढ़ा सकते हैं। हम करेंगे, आपका साथ देंगे। हां, अदानी की तरह हम नहीं बता सकते हैं, लेकिन हम बता सकते हैं रेवेन्यूज कैसा बढ़ाना है, हम बताएंगे आपको। सर, the Congress manifesto have also promised enhanced reservation in education, employment, as well as in Panchayat Raj and municipal bodies for the SC, ST, BCs, and this can happen only when the caste census is conducted, sir, and the census report is completed, sir. I hope that the caste census would be completed, sir. Sir, also, now coming, lastly, sir, before concluding, coming to my subject of minorities, sir. Sir, वादा कर रहे थे सब प्लान लेंगे, सब प्लान नहीं है। वादा कर रहे थे सब प्लान का। I was expecting that सब plan will come. ठीक है। Earlier, before starting my speech, I said the time is running fast. Some guidelines, sir, which needs to be followed to have a good health care, sir. So उसके लिए ये है sir 3.5 beds for 1,000 people, sir. We need to follow these guidelines. Sir, none had followed this guideline, sir. I remember when I was a member of assembly in Andhra Pradesh, sir, then Dr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy Sahab was the chief minister. He also was a medical graduate. He was an MBBS. He was a doctor. When I spoke to him, when I told him what does the World Health Organization requirement says, what are the laid down norms, then he said, Akbar, you're very right. It's very good. Kindly give me that paper. From today, my government will start working on this, sir. So we need to work on this, sir. Sir, like खुदा ना खास्ता अगर फिर से कोविड की जैसी बीमारी अगर आती है, we should not lose life, sir. Life is very precious, sir. I know what life is. I know what life is, sir. जिंदगी की कीमत क्या है मुझे मालूम, sir. I know it. I have seen death, sir, and I came back. Sir, we have to protect life, sir. Sir, slowly we can start. Increase the allocation in the health sector, and slowly we can go, sir. And we have been demanding and requesting about Osmania Hospital, sir. Sir, Osmania Hospital is the lifeline for the sick and ill patients of whole city. Musi ke us par. Sir, Osmania का कुछ करिए, sir. Osmania दवाखाने को बनाइए, sir. उसको revive करिए, sir. It's a beautiful structure, sir.